Hey guys, welcome to this new video. I'm gonna show you how you can get better graphics on the Quest 2, 1 or 3. It doesn't matter which Quest you're using. You don't need a PC or phone at all. You just need your headset and some, I don't know, you just need to follow these steps and you get it. So what you want to do is you want to install these through the browser. You want to install A Shell APK, Shizuku, Activity Launcher. These three. You need these three apps, and how you do that, you search them on the browser. You download Mobile Station VR. I'm gonna show you how you install things. When you download them as an APK, you need them as an APK. You go open Mobile Station VR. You open the configuration wizard. Show all options. Configure scope storage. And then you request access. And then go to Quest 3. Download. And you just press on the arrows and you just look for the file you want to download and you press the arrows, not the file itself but the arrow, and it would start installing it. When you did that, you want to go out of Mobile Station VR. You want to go to unknown sources. You're going to open the activity launcher. You're going to put it to the left so it's easier, and you look for settings. You're going to look for settings. Settings. You open settings, launch activity. You're gonna go down to about headset. You go down, you see the build number, you press that until it says you are a developer. When it says you're a developer, you go to system, developer options. You're gonna go down and you want to turn off USB debugging and wireless debugging. It's gonna show you this allow wireless debugging on this network. You press allow. You press wireless debugging and you want to go to this. This is where you want to go. You open unknown sources again and you want to go to Shizuku. And when you're in Shizuku, you want to press pairing. It's gonna say you have to go to developer options. Just put Shizuku to the left and says press on developer options. Close it. And you go back here again, pair with device. And now it's gonna show you the pairing code. If you have to put this code into this. So you do 695 for me. This is for me. 88. So when you did that, you want to press OK. You're gonna press start, and it's gonna show you all these letters. You don't worry about it; just does it for you automatically, and will give you new options. You're gonna go to authorize application, and you want to make sure A shell is turned on. It has to be turned on, otherwise it won't work. Okay, it has to be turned on. So when you turn it on, you're gonna go to you don't need this anymore, but I'm keeping it open anyway, just in case. You open A shell, and when you open A shell, you can use ADB commands here. So normally you need a computer to use ADB commands, but you can use it through A shell if you did all these steps correctly. You want to do set prop. You want to put this in the command space. Okay, so if you want to, you can look in the SideQuest app. Well, you need SideQuest. Yeah, well, you don't, but it's gonna be easier to check if it worked or not. So you can you can download SideQuest APK as well. It's on the SideQuest website. As you can see, it's gonna say you have Wi-Fi 80B. It doesn't matter. It's just gonna see have it turned on. You go to device settings. These don't work. It says unable to connect to device. What you want to do is set prop. You don't need this, by the way, just so you know it worked. Debug dot oculus dot. I want to do my CPU level first because that's more important, because otherwise it will lag a ton. CPU level space 4, and when I press enter, it's gonna say this. You press this and cancel. Now you're gonna do the next command. Let's see if it worked. Open SideQuest again. Device settings. Look, it's turned to CPU level 4. That's the fastest you can get. And we're gonna check the other ones. So we want to get GPU level 2 because that's I guess it's important. Seprop debug dot oculus dot GPU level space 4. Press this again. Okay, so we got this one too. Let's see if it worked. I can hear my headset run faster already. Yeah, it worked. Okay, now what we want to do is, this is the Quest 3 default, the Quest 2 default, and the Quest 1 default. But what we want to do is want to get the max performance possible. So we're gonna use this one. So what you want to do is, again, set prop and debug oculus texture with 3072. Enter, save. We're gonna do the height too. Set prop debug oculus texture height 3380. As you can see. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. You just I just relaunched SideQuest again so I can see if it worked. And as you can see, it did. I'm gonna do the refresh rate too because that works. Because if you keep it on 72, it's just gonna, lag a bit. So I'm just gonna do it anyway. Refresh rate. Oh, the rate is with the 120. You can see it sent a command. Let's open SideQuest again. Device settings. As you can see, it worked again. I'm gonna put this. I don't know. It just gives better performance. I'm just gonna put this to level 4. So I do this because if I don't, it would just make me like have these lag spikes, which they're kind of annoying. So we're gonna do this one too. Level 4. Okay, so if I'm correct, you can, by the way, you can do all these settings. You just have to copy this. You can do video captures. You can put that up. Well, I don't really recommend doing that because it will make the experience of gaming really bad. You can upscale the bitrate of your capture. You can do all these stuff. It's really cool. So if I'm sure, let's just test it real quick. Just open Beat Saber and let's see if it works. I'm gonna show you the before and afters, by the way. And it worked. It looks really good. It's not laggy at all. I can do everything I want. Feeling sick of confusion, give in to the robotic focus. Everything is really good. So yeah, it was a video. It's really easy and simple. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure you like the video because I just started doing tutorials. I knew these tricks already, but I just never thought of making a tutorial. So see ya.